So, punta na po ako sa Maynila. Yan po. Andito na ako sa airport. Samahan niyo ako sa biyahe Maynila. Let's go! Tayo doon. Nakapag-check-in na ako. Tapos yung baggage ko andun na po. Miss. Kakatapos na natin ng boarding. So, hanap na tayo ng upuan natin. Nandito na tayo sa boarding. Waiting for the airplane. Hanapin na natin ang ating zone. Ayan, punta na tayo sa gate 9. Since andyan ang gate 9, dito muna tayo habang wala pang mga tao. Ayan. Ayan, so guys, next muna tayo guys. Gutom na ako. Ayan guys, so medyo matagal po yung ano natin, waiting natin. It's almost 2 hours yung waiting natin. So ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa airport, sa Mactan International Airport. Wala daw yung mga pindies dito. Nomad. Ayan, may mga pasalubong dito. Let's go! Ayan, banda na tayo.
2776 to Manila. Kindly be seated according to the seat numbers on your boarding passes. We discourage unauthorized changing of seats due to the aircraft's weight and balance restrictions. Secure your large carry-on baggage in the overhead compartments and small items under the seat in front of you. Wearing of face masks is mandatory on all AirAsia flights.
Insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is found under your seats. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Tape the tape around your waist. Push end to buckle and pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the red tag at the lower end to inflate life vest. If the life vest fails to inflate, blow into the oral chutes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The light will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card.
Should the need arise, there are fire extinguishers inside this aircraft. Operation of the device is placarded on the equipment itself.
As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Tampering the smoke detector is punishable by law. Thank you for your attention.
This is an important announcement as an added safety measure in light of all of us wearing face masks on board. We would like to emphasize that in the unlikely case of cabin pressure loss, you must remove your face mask before using the cabin oxygen mask, and the headband must be securely placed around your head for a snug fit. Oxygen flow will start once the mask is pulled. Please note it is normal for the oxygen bag not to fully inflate after activation.
So, ayan guys, nandito na po ako sa Manila International Airport or NAIA kung saan inaantay ko na lang po ang aking baggage. So, I need to enjoy na nandito ako mag-isa dito sa Manila. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Basta reggae, Digital Paul, idol.
Kapag nariyan ka, bumabagal ang ikot ng mundo. Hindi kita dapat ginugusto, pero natutukso. Anong ba sabihin nila? Hindi kita ipagkakaila. Kat ikaw lang, minamahal ko, aking diwata. Aking diwata.
Ikaw ang pinakamaganda, pag pinagmamasdan kita para nagmamaligmata. Tanghinala, di makapaniwala na nakita na ang pinakamakinang natala. Wala ka na ba? Pagkamat